So are you saying that they're lying?
Truth
They're
is
lying?
free.
Let me ask you a question.
Truth is free. I answered you.
No, so they're lying?
Truth is free.
Truth is free, but I don't know. You're not answering the questions. Are they holding the car of an elderly man?
Truth is free. It's bankruptcy court. You can't do
Excuse
anything.
me?
Bankruptcy.
So it's bankruptcy? So did they file bankruptcy so they can
Not them.
prolong
Negative.
the case?
Negative.
Why don't they just return the car?
Court told them they can.
Sorry?
Court told them they can.
Are you sure about that?
Positive.
So how do you feel about holding hostage an old man's car?
Speak to the courts, not him. He can't do much.
You don't feel accountable for it?
What was that?
You don't feel accountable?
I have nothing to do with this business.
Then why are you holding a sign for them? They're scam
I work here,
artists.
And you guys are assholes sitting here coming every day.
Oh,
without
we're
the
an
truth.
assholes?
Yeah, you are.
You're a customer?
I am a customer.
Okay. What's your name? Let's see your face.
You're not recording me.